Dyson V7 Motorhead Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Cord-free. Hassle-free. Powerful suction. Up to 30 minutes runtime when using a non-motorized tool. Lightweight and versatile, for easy home cleaning. Instant release trigger means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Requires charging for 3.5 hours minimum before first use. Direct drive cleaner head. Up to 6 minutes of fade-free power in max mode. Drives stiff nylon bristles into carpets to capture deep-down dirt. Powered by the Dyson digital motor V7 and engineered to pick up ground in dirt and fine dust from hard floors and carpets. 75% more brush bar power than the Dyson V6 cordless vacuum.